In this video, I will show you how to fix authorization error on Google Drive in your device. So if you're getting that error, the first thing that you need to ensure is that you do not have any VPN, proxy or ad blocker turned on. If you do have it, make sure to turn it off. Then the next thing that you can do is simply click and hold on to the Google Drive icon. Then scroll down below, there you will get more features, click on it. Then click on App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then continue it. Then go to Storage Uses. Here you will find Clear Data and Clear Cache. Make sure you click on Clear Cache. And once you do that, you can simply try restarting your Google Drive and try accessing the file, and it should start working. And if it does not, then Google Drive may have some internal server outage. It will be fixed after some time, so you can try it again later. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.